Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The all-new 2023 Toyota Sequoia lives up to its powerful and a legendary namesake thanks to a head-turning new look, luxurious comfort, impressive technology, and the perfect blend of performance and efficiency. Coupled with Toyota long-lasting quality, durability, and reliability, the three-row SUV is sure to stand tall in the large-size SUV segment when it hits dealership at the end of the summer, with the manufacturer-suggested retail pricing starting at $58,300. The third-generation Sequoia is completely redesigned and worthy of the all-new SUV description. All 2023 Sequoia will feature the powerful twin-turbo V6 hybrid i4 powertrain for Sunview and Tundra. This exceptional hybrid produces 437 horsepower and 580 pound-feet of torque. The i4 Max is a cleverly engineered powertrain featuring a unique motor generator within the bell housing between the twin-turbo engine and the 10-speed automatic transmission. TRD Pro is a great option for adventure-minded families that plan to get off the beaten path regularly. TRD Pro is not just an off-roader though, as it is loaded with premium features such as a standard second-row captain chair, TRD heated steering wheel, and TRD accent on the seat and seat knob. TRD Pro comes with additional cargo hauling option thanks to the TRD roof rack. TRD Twin Fox internal bypass shock offer a smooth on-road ride, but most importantly, they can confidently handle off-road terrain when the trail gets rough. A quarter-inch aluminum TRD front skid plate offer a trail protection. Sequoia TRD Pro also offer additional trail capability with a standard selectable locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist control. TRD Pro proudly sport a heritage-inspired Toyota grille with an ambient TRD light bar and maker light toward the top of the grille. It's equipped with a Pro-specific black 18-inch TRD alloy wheels with an increased offset to provide a wider stance. A dual TRD Pro exhaust tip provide added growl and visual appeal. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.